Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a form in Typeform. First, navigate to the Typeform website and either log in or create a new account. Once inside your dashboard, you will see an option to create new Typeform. You can then choose to start with a pre-designed template, which offers a quick setup, or begin with a blank canvas for full customization. This initial step sets the foundation for your entire form. Now, let's design your questions to make them engaging. Typeform offers many question types, including multiple choice, short text, and rating scales. Drag and drop your chosen question blocks onto the canvas. You can also personalize the form's appearance by selecting a theme, changing colors, and adding a background image or video. Remember, a visually appealing form encourages more responses and provides a better experience for your audience. Next, enhance your form with powerful logic and integrations. Logic jumps allow you to create dynamic paths, showing respondents only relevant questions based on their previous answers. This makes the form feel highly personalized. You can also connect your Typeform with hundreds of other applications, such as Google Sheets for data collection or MailChimp for email marketing, streamlining your workflow and automating tasks efficiently. Finally, it's time to publish and share your completed form. Always preview your Typeform thoroughly to catch any errors or ensure the logic flows as intended. Once you are satisfied, hit the Publish button to make it live. You can then share your form using a unique direct link, embed it seamlessly onto your website, or even generate a QR code for easy access. Congratulations! Your form is now ready to collect valuable responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.